Do you know why we yawn? I will tell you. It's often a sign that our body needs more oxygen or feeling tired. Yawning can be a response to oxygen levels or tiredness. Oxygen levels. Yawning might help in oxygen flow to the brain. Tiredness. Yawning can be a sign that our body is feeling fatigued or needs rest. It's like our body's way to say, hey, I might need more oxygen or needs rest.